Alright, here's a tour of my Royal Blue Point roll cart. I just got 2 days ago, came off the UPS truck. Got my little magnetic strip that I took off one of the bases of these guys, snap on. Got my tire valve stem tool, screwdrivers, stuff like that, unit bit. And the reason I got this box is because it had storage on the sides, and you can stand sockets upright without them hitting the lid. So here, extra long flathead Phillips head. Got my blow guns, Matco, Cornwall, a couple of Phillips heads, like that. On this side, got snap-on flatheads. Got my pry bars, the brand new monster green ones, and snap-on 1/2 inch deep impact. And you got Carlisle, and these are all Williams. And I think these are Williams too. Yep, Williams. Which is like a industrial brand of snap-on. Here are my snap-on torque sticks. And snap-on 3/8 shallow impact sockets, which I generally use on this gun. It's real nice. Alright, and then I got my snap-on deep 3/8 snap-on impact swivel 3/8, goes up to 21. And then a little Blue Point bit set, which I'm using on this gun, screw gun. And then here's a Matco oil filter socket, some Lyle oil filter sockets. Those are real nice, they stretch out. A couple of extensions for my gun. And over here, got a bunch of bits. Got a lot of O2 sensor socket, reducer, 1/2 inch 3/8. Let's see what else. Spark plug socket, snap-on, Hornwell, swivels, etc. Just snap-on drain plug for differentials. Alright, here's my plier drawer. Basically explains it all, but here's my Lyle push pin removers. Those are real nice. Snap-on dikes, channel locks, needle nose, bent needle nose. These are Proto. More channel locks, snap-on. These are real nice. My first snap-on pliers I ever bought, actually off one of my coworkers. Like 40 bucks. Got off the truck for about 80, I think. Maybe 100, I'm not sure. These are nice. These are brand new. Snap-on just came out for moving seals, oil seals, without damaging the O-rings. And then picks, Cornwall picks. Alright, here's my junk drawer. Basically everything, stubbies, wire brush, everything. Battery terminal cleaner, hanging calipers, lighter. Got snap-on, kind of overkill, but snap-on Allen keys. Just got a bunch of small stuff from Snap-on. I do get a 50% discount because I'm at a school at Wild Tech right now. And highlighters and small brushes and thermometer. These are really nice. I mean, I kind of eyeball it now, but when you have to write down a report exactly what they are, come out in millimeters. It's nice. Those are Matco. Alright, here's my wrench drawer. I just keep my metrics in here. These are Snap-on, the new ratcheting ones, and they're super fun. I forgot how many teeth they are, but they're You can't even hear them click. They're so fun. And then Matco extensions here for 3/8 snap-on, 1/2-inch extensions. Got a Carlisle 1/2-inch impact extension, and a little Craftsman extra long 3/8. You got channel lock, adjustable wrenches, and then SK metric wrenches, and some metric open end wrenches. Those are not very nice. I mean, I'm looking at getting snap-on line wrenches, but I mean, I haven't rounded anything off yet. I've only used them a couple times. Alright, here's my, I don't know, miscellaneous drawer, I guess. And you got your ratchets. You got your 1/2-inch torque wrench. If you watch my other video, I have all my other tools inside my Matco box over there. I'm at school right now, so my tools are staying in my garage. But there she is. Haven't used her yet. I do like green. We got a little snap-on, quarter inch breaker bar. Comes in handy. Breaking loose rusty fasteners. Radiator hose pick from Matco. Got a Blue Point gasket scraper. I don't know why I bought Blue Point, but I mean, it's all the same. It's cheap. Putty knife. Trim tool. More trim tools. This thing's a beast. It's my Matco 1/2-inch locking flex head. Carlisle 1/2-inch snap-on 3/8 with a gear wrench. I don't like the gear wrenches at all. I mean, it's not really the flex head. I mean, it moves so easily. No locking mechanism on it. I don't really like flex heads anyways. Just if they lock, they're nice. But here's a Cornwell 3/8 ratchet. Needs rebuilding. Snap-on files. Here's my power drawer. I actually just got this puppy the other day. Brand new composite 1/2-inch impact. More powerful than the MG. You can adjust it right there and switch on the side, which I like better than back here. And then for exhaust hangers, oil filters, spark plug boots. This is a snap-on Thunderbolt bit set. My air hammer, Makita drill, snap-on grinder. Here's my Makita impact, and I have my air impact 3/8 and my electric impact 3/8. Use that all the time. Haven't used this guy yet, but 3/8 stubby for brake jobs and whatnot. Underneath, I just have my hammers, clamps, and caliper compressors, and a couple cleaners and whatnot. And on this side, I keep all my cleaners too in a little side drawer. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.